And finally, the vertical tiling on the rear of the property. On the front, everything's fine. There's one missing tile in the centre, but on the back, as shown closer up in the photos, we can see we've got a repair that's been made. We've got a tile just hanging there. It's quite dangerous. There needs to be a couple of repairs in there. We've got a huge hole in this tile here also. Some foliage growing out around the back there. As we move underneath the windows itself, there's no lead at all, so we'd need to take off these two courses here, get some lead and insert it into the timbers properly, and then tile back in. We can see we've got slip tiles, missing tiles. This one's on its way for falling out, this one's missing, this one's slipping, a couple more missing there. And then as we move up to the top, again we've got some missing tiles here, some old felt. This boiler, you need to get somebody in to make this so it's horizontal instead of just vertical. I'd have to double check that, but I don't think that's up to building regulations at all, and that's a cause for concern. And as we move further down the wall, this was the original overrun for the boiler, and then somebody's made a new one, made a right mess out of it. You can see we've got exposed nails, they've just slammed it through, made some damage and just scarpered, and this plastic pipe just comes down like this. It's quite unusual. So with some extensive repair work to the vertical tile inside at the rear, and especially the lead work underneath, it needs to be capped, otherwise you are going to get any sort of driving rain is going to start penetrating the walls. Okay.